Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I am talking about the beautiful grace and emotional dance style of Surbhi Hayat Alam. Surbhi Hayat Alam is known for her elegant presence and her stunning Saree look. She represents the timeless beauty of Indian fashion and culture. When she appears, it's a modern style. One of the most beautiful things about Surbhi is when the career is Saree. The saree is not just a dress in India, it is a symbol of culture, elegance, and Surbhi Hayat Alam wear it with incredible grace. When she performs a show dance in a saree, every movement feel natural and experience. Her dance is not about fast step or complex. Instead, it is about emotion, elegance, and storytelling. She moves slowly. As Saree follows beautifully with her step, the soft movement of the fabric creates a magical visual experience. It feels calm, graceful, and every plastic. Another thing that makes Ruby special is her expression. Her face shows emotion very clearly: happiness, confidence, and charm. This emotion exchange content with the audience instantly. Her beautifully smile and expressive eyes add a special charm to her performance. Even a simple moment becomes powerful when the experience emotion through her face. Powerful when she experiences emotion through her face. Many viewers admire Surbhi Hayat Alam because she represents natural beauty and confidence. She shows that elegance does not require complicated styling. Something simple creates and strongest impact. Sari fashion has been a part of India culture for cultural and models like Surbhi help keep with tradition, belief in modern media and digital platforms. Through her video and performance, Surbhi, many people who love tradition, fashion, and graceful dance, her style remind you that beauty is not only about it is also about confidence, personality, and the experience emotion through art. In the world of fashion and modeling, Ruby Hayat Alam is